Hey everybody, David Steenkamp here again. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do custom menu items. Um, so for this example, I want to show you, the first one I want to show you is how to use this custom links feature right here in Appearance Menus. So let's say we want to link to an external website. So let's say I want to link to my own. So what I do is go to the website itself, or rather go to the page of the website itself. So let's say I want people to know about my monthly plan that I offer. So I'm going to copy, I'm just going to select this whole link up here, copy it, all right, and I'm going to paste it right into this custom URL section, paste, and now link text is what do you want it to say? What do you want that menu item to read as? So I'm going to say I want it to read as monthly plan. It really makes no sense on this website, but oh well. And then press Add to Menu. Okay, so by default, it'll add it at the very bottom. And the nice thing is right here on the right side, it says, hey, this is a custom link. So I'm going to put it just after products, like that. I'm going to press Save Menu. Okay, almost done. There we go. So I'm going to refresh the site. It should show up right here. There we go. So monthly plan. So if I click it, it takes me to my website. However, it takes me to my website in the same tab, which means people might forget about my other website. So I'm going to go back just to the main website here, and I actually want this to open in a new tab instead, like I'm sure you've seen 1,000 times before. So if you click on the little down arrow right here, you can't tell yet because, so how do I make it, go into a new tab? Well, I'll show you. So you go up to the top and there's a thing called screen options here. So click on that. Now what you want to do is you want to select, there's these advanced menu properties. So let's choose link target. Now some themes even offer this description one. Like maybe it says about us, and then under here there's some cheeky little thing like all you ever wanted to know about us or something like that. That's where you'd put description on. So I'll turn that on for now as well, just so you can see it. Okay, so when you've chosen the ones you want to see, click on screen options to suck it back up there. And now down here, you'll see you have an option to open link in a new window or tab. So I'm going to select that, and then this is that description one I was just talking about, if your theme supports it. So I'm just going to leave it blank for now, whatever, no problem, and roll that one back up and press Save Menu. So now when we go back to the main site here and refresh and try our link, it should open up in a new tab right up here. Just get rid of this one. All right, here we go. There we go, better. So now people can look at this, say, it's okay, maybe I want it, maybe I don't, blah, 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 maybe I'll contact this guy, whatever. And then they'll close out, and then they'll be like, oh yeah, I was still on this website. So, in my opinion, always a good idea to open things like that in a new tab. Another thing that you can do is you can link to, well, you can really link to anything, but you can link to, just going to delete this one. Let's say a photo. So I think I got a photo on my desktop somewhere. I'll just look for it in a second. So if you want to link to a custom photo or maybe a PDF file, go to Media, Add New. Yes, leave the page. Oh, I forgot to save it, so it'll still be on there. No worries. Okay, so to add a new like a new image or PDF or any kind of file, you can simply drag and drop it here, like this, right? But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to press Select Files. Now, I feel like I have some sort of JPEG or something on my desktop. Maybe I don't. Okay, let's say I want to put, like I wrote out the whole course description of what I'm doing here in a Word file. So let's say we want to link to a Word file, right? See my nice notes to myself. Um, okay, so I'm gonna press open right there. It's gonna load the file in, right? When it's done, you'll see this little edit button. So click on the edit button. It'll load in a new tab itself. Okay. If you want, you can give it a caption, description, blah, blah, blah. I normally don't. It's probably good for SEO to put in a description, but and with images you have even more options like an alt tag and blah, 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 blah. But I'm not going to get into that. So the main thing you want is this file URL. So select the whole thing, copy it. Okay, so now it's copied. Swing on back over to our menus area. And we're going to do another custom link. Let's say, call this one course description. And then URL, this is where we're going to paste that thing we just copied. Add to menu. And I'm going to put that just after the monthly plan item. And this time I'm going to save the menu. Okay, so don't need that tab anymore, so I'm just going to leave it and refresh the site. So there we go, course description. So now when someone clicks on this, they'll get a pop-up to save my .doc, my Microsoft Word file. So if they press OK, downloads right there. But it goes as number 1 because I already have it on my desktop. So I'm just going to delete that. And so yeah, that's how you can upload a file. So even if that was a JPEG or if that was a PDF file, it's all the same thing. Go to media, add new, add it, grab the link, throw it in here, give it a name, and then add it to your menu. So a few steps, but all pretty self-explanatory, I think. So yeah, that's how you do custom links. So I'm just going to delete the ones I got here, and let's see, what are we going to do in the next video? Next video, we're going to move on to the editor, the appearance editor. So I'll tell you all about that in the next video. Okay, talk to you then.